What's up guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can see some hidden features of a BMW F10. It's a 2015 model. I'm going to show you how you can check let's say the coolant temperature, some other cool stuff you can check if you want. I'm going to show you how you can enter the menu on a BMW F10. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition on. We had a problem with the coolant temperature and there is no meter over here showing the coolant temperature. So I'm going to show you how you can enter the menu where you can digitally see the coolant temperature. First of all, the ignition is turned on. Then we have to press this button. Keep pressing that till this appears on the menu. As you can see, identification like this. Okay, we can go through the menu by pressing and releasing this button over here. First thing I want to show you is that we can check the odometer. If the odometer over here is working, all the lights are working correctly, you can check that by the start system check. Once you have this, press it and hold it, and like this, as you can see, it does a full check, and if there are any problems, it will show you the problems. This is a cool one. Okay, the second one is, you can see if you go through the menu the coolant temperature. So if you need that while you're driving, you can come over here and you can start the car, and you can see after starting the car that the coolant temperature is still available for you to observe. Other thing that is over here is the oil temperature. That's not that important because we have a different meter over here. This one, that's the oil temperature, but there is no meter for the coolant temperature, and if you need that, you can come here through this menu. A different one, some nice features that are not that important, the consumption, and you can go through the menu by pressing this button. This video helped me for finding the coolant temperature, and I hope this helped you also, because there is no other meter for the coolant temperature. I hope to see you next time with another video. This was it for today. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.